name is Russell Della Pena, and I want to welcome you to the channel. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss one single content-rich video that I'm going to be putting out on this channel. I personally help 6, 7, and 8-figure entrepreneurs to grow their businesses online by selling their products and services and using sales copy that compels their dream clients and customers to buy from them. I'm the ghostwriter, the hidden secret that they've got that allows them to compel cold traffic to buy their products and services from them online while they sleep. I'm the guy who writes their webinar scripts, their sales letters, their video sales letters, their emails, anything to do with sales copy. I'm the guy who writes those words for a lot of the well-known entrepreneurs online today. So if you're interested in learning how to do that for your own products and services, if you need some help with your hooks, your stories, your offer, your traffic, your funnels, or your follow-up systems, the 6 core things that are necessary to build your business online, be sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and make sure that you like and even comment on any of the videos that resonate with you, and I will personally help you with your journey. Thanks so much. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell now. Thanks.
Yours, mine, ours. I could do this for hours.